Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Today we want to look at how to change mixed numbers to improper fraction. The first thing you need to know is your whole number. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. And then when you are going to change it, you multiply your whole number with your denominator first. So 3 times 4 will give you what? 12, and then you add whatever is your answer to your numerator, which is 1, all over your denominator, which is 4. So 12 plus 1 will give you what? 13 over 4, and that is the answer. Same thing applies here. So you multiply 2 times 5 will give you what? 10, and whatever you add it to your numerator, which is 4, all over your denominator, which is what? 5. So 10 plus 4 will give you what? 14 over 5. So therefore, 2 whole number 4 over 5 is 14 over 5. Trust you've learned something today. Click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.